All right, everybody, we're on it today. Be My Shadow, Rebel the dog, Low Water History, Rebel the dog again, and TK. Look at this gentleman sailor here. I think he got a little chilly in that water, didn't he?
Yeah, he wants to stay.
Water is just crystal clear today, guys. Good day for spotting buffalo skulls from the artifact yak. We're not finding much yet, but the day is young. This one's a kick in the teeth. Oh my goodness. Let's go give it a dunk. Look at that ear down there. Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, it's me and my shadow. It's Friday night, and I'm out for a little miniature solo night hunt. Wish me luck. I've probably been hunting for 2.5, maybe 3 hours by now. I haven't found any points, but I have found a decent little pocket full of flakes. I'm gonna stay out just a little while longer. Alright guys, I've got the first maybe of the night. I don't think it's anything, but just in case. I saw something under that rock, that little white sliver. And that is a leaf. There you go, little buddy.